Fish on. We got fish on.
Fish on, son.
We got fish on.
My drag set really low because I'm being a bitch. Being a little bitch about it, son.
Bring that bitch in.
With my drag. I don't know. I mean, this is some good line. Shouldn't be able to pop it.
Oh shit! That's a big one. That's a good one right there. Ladies and gentlemen, look, that's what we're talking about. That's what we fish.
Ooh.
This is what we fish, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Compared to my
Tilapia
foot.
Action. Tilapia action.
Look. Compared to my foot, which I wear a size 13. Bam, Thomas. With the tilapia. Bam, baby.
You got pinzas, bro?
Yeah, I got pinzas.
Man, I didn't expect.
Oh, look at that. Now that makes me want to keep fishing.
Tilapia
Here's the
action
pinza.
all day, son.
Hold on, hold it up. You'll hold it up, right? You'll hold it up again. Shit, this is what we're talking about, ladies and gentlemen. Bam, right there, tilapia. Don't believe us? Ask your mama. Dang, son. Did you get it?
You got any that work, son?
No, look.
I was all trying to get that shit open.
Okay, look.
What's wrong with it?
Oh, shit. It is. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go.
I was actually thinking it was going to be a perch, son.
All right, so now you got the biggest fish. I had the two until you got that one. Oh, did you bring the weight? The weigher?
Oh, yeah, I did, but
Huh?
I don't know of any way to hook them on that little ass thing, bro.
Hold on, let's see.
No, I guess I didn't. I like, fuck it. I left it in the other tackle box. Got a knife. All right,
Shit, son.
Should keep something
Damn,
like
we should normally keep them and eat them, but right now we didn't bring no ice chest or anything. Yeah.